We are from group 4. Okay, we will show you about tutorial about active and passive voice. Okay, let's go now. My name is Rafael Hermansyah. My name is Daniel. My name is Muhammad Sofius Daniel Tomo.
My name is Maisandar Nurhamida. My name is Layla Rama.
Okay, we hope you enjoy this video. Bye.
First, passive voice is divided into 9 parts. There are simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, present future tense, and past future tense. Then, active voice are divided into 7 parts. There are simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense. We start with the passive voice. What is passive voice? Passive voice is a grammatical construction, specifically a voice, the noun or noun phrase that will be the object of an active sentence, such as "our troops defeated the enemy," appears as the subject of a sentence or clause in the passive voice. The enemy was defeated by our troops.
Identifying the English passive. The passive voice is a specific grammatical construction. The essential components in English are a form of the auxiliary verb be, or sometimes get, and the past participle of the main verb denoting the action. The agent, the doer of the action, might be specified using a prepositional phrase with the preposition by, but this is optional. It can be used in a number of different grammatical contexts, for instance, in declarative, interrogative, and imperative clause, and in gerundial construction. When do you use passive voice? 1. When you don't know or don't care who performed the action. 2. When what is important is the action itself rather than who performed it. 3. When what is important is the result of the action rather than who performed it.
The function of passive voice. 1. The passive voice is used to show interest in the person or object that experiences an action rather than the action. In other words, the most important thing or person becomes the subject of the sentence. 2. To know that the sentence may recount the same facts or it may not. 3. In addition, in academic writing, sometimes it is obvious, irrelevant, or repetitive to state who to doer of the sentence is. Thus, the passive voice is a useful way to construct this.
Simple present tense. The formula of simple present tense is subject plus am or is or are plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun.
The examples: 1. Active voice, she writes a story. Passive voice, a story is written by her. 2. Active voice, she adores kids. Passive voice, kids are adored by her. Active voice, carpenters make furniture. Passive voice, furniture is made by carpenters. 4. Active voice, parents bring up children. Passive voice, children are brought up by parents.
Simple past tense. The formula is subject plus was or were plus verb 3 plus by plus objective pronoun. Examples: Number 1. The active voice, Brutus stabbed Caesar. The passive voice, Caesar was stabbed by Brutus. Number 2. The active voice, she sang a song. The passive voice, a song was sung by her. Present continuous tense. The formula is object plus am is or are plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus objective pronoun. The example, number 1, active voice, I am reading a story. The passive voice, a story being read by me. Number 2, active voice, the engine is driving by the train. The passive voice, the train is being driven by the engine. Past continuous tense. The formula is object plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus objective pronoun. Example, number 1, active voice, the boy was reading the book. The passive voice, the book was being read by the boy. Number 2, active voice, her brother was hugging her. The passive voice, she was being hugged by her brother. Future continuous tense. The formula is object plus going to or will plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus objective pronoun. Example, number 1, the active voice, he is going to be reciting the Holy Quran after praying tomorrow. The passive voice, the Holy Quran will be being recited by him after praying tomorrow. Present perfect tense. The formula is object plus have or has plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus objective pronoun. Example, number 1, the active voice, she has done her work. The passive voice, her work has been done by her. Number 2, the active voice, he is broken my window. The passive voice, my window has been broken by him.
Past perfect tense. The formula of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Examples: 1. Passive voice, a letter had been written by me. Active voice, I had written a letter. 2. Passive voice, my work had been finished by me. Active voice, I had finished my work. 3. Passive voice, he had not been listened to by me. Active voice, I had not listened to him. 4. Passive voice, such difficulty had never been experienced by me. Active voice, I had never experienced such difficulty.
Now, the active voice. What is active voice? Active voice is a grammatical voice common in many of the world's languages. It is the unmarked voice for clauses featuring a transitive verb in nominative, a causative language, including English and most other Indo-European leagues. When do you use active voice? Active voice is used when for most non-scientific writing using active voice for the majority of your sentence makes your meaning clear for readers and keeps the sentence from becoming the complicated or wordy. Now the first tenses in active voice is simple present tense. The formula of simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 plus object. The examples: 1. Passive voice, a story is written by her. In active voice, she writes a story. Passive voice, kids are adored by her. Active voice, she adores kids. Passive voice, furniture is made by carpenters. In active voice, carpenter make furniture. Passive voice, children are brought up by parents. Active voice, parents bring up children. Simple past tense. The formula of simple past tense is subject plus verb 2 plus object. The example, passive voice, the restaurant was renovated in 2004. Active voice, they renovated the restaurant in 2004. 2. Passive voice, a beautiful song was sung by Rahat Fatih Ali last year. Active voice, Rahat Fatih Ali sang a beautiful song last year. Passive voice, the ball was thrown by Alex. Active voice, Alex threw the ball.
Present continuous tense. The formula is subject plus am or is or are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. The example is 1. Passive voice. A story is being read by me. Active voice. I am reading a story. 2. Passive voice. The train is being driven by the engine. Active voice. The engine is driving the train. Past continuous tense. The formula is subject plus was or were plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. For the example, 1. Passive voice. The book was being read by the boy. Active voice. The boy was reading the book. 2. Passive voice. She was being hugged by her brother. Active voice. Her brother was hugging her.
Future continuous tense. The formula of future continuous tense is subject plus going to or will plus be plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. The example is passive voice. The Holy Quran will be being recited by him after praying tomorrow. Active voice. He is going to be reciting the Holy Quran after praying tomorrow.
Differently between passive voice and active voice. When using active voice, the subject performs the action not by the main verb. As one side put it, the subject is the doer or dr. When using passive voice,